Hello, my dear students. Welcome to session number 45. In this session, I will explain 5 important external factors influencing pricing decisions. On pricing decisions. In previous session, I explained only 4 external factors which are important in influencing on the pricing decisions. Now the next remaining points will discuss one by one. Dear students, all of you know the buyers, they are very important. They complete the company's products sales, the product sales completely depends on the buyer's behavior. The marketers, they have to understand the buyer's behavior. That is also important point to be considered or kept in their mind while fixing the pricing policy. The price for a product. The various consumers and business that buy a company's products or services may have an influence in the pricing decision. Their nature and behavior for the purchase of a particular product, brand or service, etc. affect pricing when their number is large. When the buyer's number is large, the company can prefer to fix high price. When less buyers, they have to fix low price. And also they have to understand the social, economical, cultural factors of the buyers. ವಸ್ತುವಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸುವಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳ್ಳುವವರನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನು, ಅವರ ಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನು, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಏನು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ವೈಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ದಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಸ್, they should not fix the price against the government rules and regulations. ಯಾವುದೇ ಬೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸುವಾಗ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತಂದಂತಹ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತೆ ನಾನಾ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯ್ದೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿನಃ if suppose without considering the government rules and regulations related to the fixing the price of a product or the price for a product, that is a violation of government rules and regulations, then government will interfere. Therefore marketers or officers, they should be very cautious about the government acts. Next, distribution channels. These channels play an important role in fixing or for fixing the price for a product. Suppose the distribution channel is very large, from manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, customers, manufacturer, wholesaler, agent, retailer, customers. The time the cost or expenses is more, the time the officers must fix higher price. When the distribution channel is very small, for example manufacturer, retailer and seller, that time they have to prefer to fix reasonable price. Totally it depends upon the distribution channels, whether big, small or nature of product ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಸ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಗದಿಪಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಸಹ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. Summary part. All internal and external factors play a vital role in pricing decisions. Every business organization needs to be considered important factors while determining the price of a product or service. Internal factors are under the control of a company, but external factors are not controllable by a company.